Good morning. It's breakfast time. Yummy. All right. So, anyways, for real, I'm sending this message because I am doing rapid traffic bots. So I don't know if you guys have ever done. Oh, FYI, the fruit's there because I like it in the sun, so it's getting sunbathed. Anyways, the point of this message, really quick, is that I'm checking out rapid traffic bots, and we'll go over it today in the global marketing group. So check it out. We're gonna try to scale up Pinterest and social media sites for some really amazing followers and connections with human beings with like-minded interests. So, eat your fruit. I'm telling you, there's nothing like sunbathing fruit. You gotta try it. See you soon. Bye.